Let's make a juicy and flavorful chicken sheikh kebabs. So first take some minced chicken. To this add onions, garlic, ginger, coriander leaves, mint leaves, chili flakes, green chilies, red chili, garam masala, cumin, salt, lemon, butter and breadcrumbs. Combine this mixture, add some pepper too, then take half of this mixture and blend it for around 30 seconds and add it back to the remaining mixture and combine this well and keep it for around 1 hour. Later take a skewer, grease your palms with oil and shape the kebabs over the long skewers and start frying them on either sides for around 5 to 6 minutes. And you have your delicious sheikh kebabs ready. Pair it up with some mint chutney and you're good to go. So do give the recipe a try. Bye from